Can you solve this riddle? 30 plus 30 equals to 0. 31 plus 31 equals to 6. 32 plus 32 equals to 12. 33 plus 33 equals to 18. 37 plus 37 equals to which number will come? Let's find out the solution. First, please like and subscribe to my channel. Here 33 into 0. First of all, multiply two numbers and add the results. So first take 30 equals to 3 into 0 equals to 0. Next one is also 30. 3 into 0 equals to 0. Both are added. 0 plus 0 equals to 0. First this is correct. Next one is 31. 30 into 1 equals to 3. 7 3 into 1 equals to 3. Both are added. 3 plus 3, 6. Second one also correct. Next one is 32. 3 into 2 equals to 6. Next one is 32. 3 into 2 equals to 6. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Third one is also correct. Next one 33. We take 33 equals to 3 into 3. That means this is a 9. 7 into 3 equals to 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So fourth one is also correct. Similarly, 37 equals to 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. 3 into 7 equals to 21. Both are added. 21 plus 21, 42. So answer is 42. 37 plus 37 equals to 42. Please do subscribe my channel for more videos.